Tools button in IdeaMax keeps a few handy features right at your fingertips. Tap the Tools button on the menu bar and a small window will appear above the icon showing you the available options. If you hover over each item, the window will show you the name of that feature. The Keyboard button will pull up the on-screen keyboard, allowing you to use typed text. Basic calculations can be done with the Calculator tool. The Clock button pulls up a clock in the top left corner of the screen to show you the time. You can also turn this clock into a stopwatch or a timer. The Record button lets you record your screen, as well as audio from an available microphone. The Media button lets you import photos and videos right into your presentation. These can be resized and moved around the screen as needed. Zoom lets you zoom in and out of content on the screen. The Curtain button pulls up an image of a curtain to cover your presentations in case you want to add a little mystery or suspense. And lastly, Spotlight hides everything on your screen except for a small section acting as the spotlight. You can resize and adjust how large the spotlight section is. You can also adjust how much the rest of the screen is covered. And you can change the shape back and forth from a circle to a square.